did add x, but I didn't get an answer yet. So I added x to both sides. But is it x squared or is it 2x?
X plus x.
Yeah, is that x squared or 2x?
X squared is x times x. This is
Oh,
just
okay,
2x.
my bad.
Yeah, it changes when you do like a cross. I remember this.
Okay, so then it's 6.
Anything plus the same thing is twice of this.
Wait,
Yeah.
isn't it, why is it positive?
Because it's minus x, so then you add x, right?
Yeah, to both
Yeah,
sides.
but
Yeah, so that makes it a positive, and then 9 plus 3, because we're canceling out that 9, that gets rid of the negative, and then that negative got canceled out and changed into a positive.
Correct.
Oh, right, okay.
So that's the answer.
Yeah.
Not
I
yet. One last step. Divide by this 2 over.
2, yeah.
And that's 6, so x equals 6.
So if we had if just for example, if it was 12x, then it would be 14x would be the answer. If the 12 had an x, I'm just saying, like, if you come up with that, then what would the answer be?
If there is an x here,
Mm-hmm.
0. We only know twice of any number. Pick anything for x other than a 0. Twice of that number, 12 times that number is going to be different. But if you choose x to be a 0, doesn't matter what this number is, this side is a 0, this side is a 0, the answer will be 0.
Okay.
Yeah.
I printed, so I just.
Oh, thank you.
So you're missing.
Yeah, because it has any whole number with x on both
Yeah.
sides, 0.
This
We did
one.
that
If you
yesterday.
have different kind of numbers.
Thank you,
Right,
girl.
That-
This helps a lot.
All right, thank you, Anil.
Yeah.
Appreciate
So you
it.
can really.
Very
see
much
how you
appreciated.
figure them all out. I like that. You're gonna have better.
What was I thinking? Oh, I want you to do this.
Plug it in.
Let's see. 6 minus 9.
3.
Negative 3. Equals.
Now you want the negative. I'm just kidding.
3 minus 6.
Negative 3. So
Check
they
that.
cancel it.
Okay, get rid of those parentheses.
So we're doing that one?
I'm feeling better at like doing it in my head.
Okay, so it's gonna be
I don't know why I got a fraction there.
Hmm?
Okay. Nothing, I was saying I got a fraction here, and then I read that it said in fraction form, so I'm good.
This is the correction. Introduction.
X equals 1 over 20. And so start out.
1 over 20 is Giovanni.
1 over 20?
Said, you said.
Oh, wait.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually, I think. That's what I got too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
4 times.
5x.
5x minus 1. Close parentheses.
Yeah, that's what I read.
Plus 2 equals negative 1.
Again, you may choose a different order for the steps you take. Take
Oh,
4 meters.
Normally mine didn't make sense.
Mine didn't make sense either, because I forgot to change the 1 to a
I
4 plus 2, I did the plus 2 still, I just wrote it out, and then plus, okay, so 20x, and then it's gonna be negative 2, minus 2 equals negative 1, then plus 2 to the other side,
Okay, plus 2.
Yep,
yeah, I do all this stuff, and then 1,
equals.
1 over 20, bam.
1 over 20.
Oh, but I didn't. So if we got 20x equals 1, that's wrong. Because that's.
Yeah, when you
well,
put it into
you-
the answer,
It's asking you to find x. Just one simple
Okay.
step after this point.
Okay.
If you divide both sides by 20,
Right.
you, this
Okay.
number becomes x.
Got it, got it.
It's asking you to find x. Oh, we can't simplify
I
it,
got it.
but if we needed to,
X equals 1 over 20.
we would what if x was, what if
2 over 20.
2 over 20, you would write 1 over 20.
Yeah, I feel like these ones you have to like remember that it's asking you to find x and not does it actually like the other ones like does it equal negative 57? Like to prove
Oh, I
that.
see what you're saying. And sometimes you're writing a whole equation, like you can't simplify x equals da-da-da.
Yeah, some questions can be worded here.
All right, give me a second to write this one down.
Okay. Okay. Plus 2. Plus 2. Bless you. Oops.
Plus,
Wait. Negative that's 9. Plus 9. Oh my lord, this one's long. Plus 9. Plus. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, plus 13. You got the answer.
okay.
Oh.
I haven't even started that.
Wait a second. I'm sorry, it took me a minute to write it down.
Yeah, I'm still making sure that I didn't screw it up.
I was just gonna tell you something about before the distribution, look inside the parentheses. This is the shortcut you can take if you want to. I'm gonna show the shortcut to
Inside the
you. Do it your-
parentheses.
You have just y terms inside both parentheses.
So negative 6 times y, and then negative 6.
You can do that. Do it that way. Okay, do it that way. That's how we were doing it.
Oh no, I see what you mean. There's a little shortcut.
The parentheses don't have constants in them.
Right.
They are
So you
just
can,
y terms.
I could do that real quick first. I
It's
like
just
that
y
better.
terms.
Right.
So,
Oh, but then you gotta, okay.
This whole thing is actually a single term. Do it your way first, and then I'm gonna show.
Okay. I like your way though. It's a shortcut. But it's gonna be negative 6 minus 2y plus equals negative. Negative 7y, I think. Okay.
Leila has something.
Yeah.
So, did it like that. 26, what the fuck? Excuse my language, but what the fuck? So it's gonna be I just don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so just do okay. So this is gonna be
Yeah. Took you a minute, but yeah, I got some.
Same.
See, I started doing like exponents and stuff. You got the same answer.
okay. Okay.
Alex.
Hold on, girl. Not too fast.
Longer, is it still 2 hours?
Eva, did I fix the practice test 3 and the test 120 minutes?
Yeah, the module 3 you did, not module 4 yet, but.
Ooh, I might have got this actually right.
It's practice 1, right?
Oh my god. So it'll be 1 over y.
2.5.
Okay.
Exactly, no.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is one of the things that I'm flexible. I'm not sure about this, but I can change this. No, right?
Yeah, the practice 3 test, 120 minutes. Module test for 3 is also 120 minutes. Practice, final exam 120. And English is the
Oh
final.
my god.
I think what I clicked here has something to do with the thinking. I think this is the thing I need to change. The practice test saying it's quiz. Quizzes don't go to Blackboard, right?
Yeah, because I was gonna say that.
I thought, well, it's too late for now, but not a big deal, I can put it by then, but next time,
Okay. Because last week you had said that you were gonna put all 4 in, which means practice test and module test for the first 2 weeks. But I only have in the grade book the module.
Okay, so
So I wasn't gonna do that.
no, it was the worst case scenario, guys, the worst case scenario, I do it, maybe a little post, okay.
I'm sorry.
And then he was also talking about the post-test that's
but
on
I should say
That's like 5.
5%.
Yeah.
It's just like the pre-test, so like you know how all equal class, we had the pretest and the book test that are the same. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna take pictures.
Altogether, guys, we have, I like it, something. Altogether, we have 9 grades. One of them needs to be post-test, 5%. That's standard.
We can't change that.
And I think it's a good thing because you pretest,
You see where you are.
yeah, and post-test. So you can almost say there is a 5%.
Easy, 5%,
No.
yeah.
Remaining 8 grades. 2 grades for each week, 1 for practice, 1 for review. That's it. I mean, and if there is anything, if you think that Pearson didn't bring you fairly or whatever, I've done that, I can see not the result, not your scores. For each attempt, every time you turn something in, I see your score and the questions that you got right, the answers that you had, I see.
Yeah.
If you mention a particular question where suppose you had 2/20 here, and you didn't put a 1/10 and it marked you off. I mean, if that's a 2/20 here,
Mhm.
I think that's at least 25% of the grade or something, 0.25,
Yeah.
it's something like that, for instance.
That's good to know.
I
I've
can-
gotten a couple of
I
those.
have done it before, so somebody told me, okay, here are my answers, and it didn't give me any points at all. It deserves some points.
Yeah.
Well,
These
you-
are the things I can change manually in the grade book, which is what matters.
That's what I was gonna, I'm glad you said something, because sometimes like if Pearson doesn't like the way I put something in, but I got the answer right, like I don't get the
You should
credit.
still get
which
passed,
sucks.
but at least have.
Yes, sometimes I do, yeah.
So you guys say it's a 7?
Yep.
Yeah.
We all
Okay.
got to 7.
Now,
Yeah,
you did it by,
Distribution.
okay, but here is one thing, if you catch it, right? You don't have
7 though.
you don't have a constant inside the parentheses. Right?
Right.
It's just some variable minus plus, it's just variable terms.
Right.
You can combine them, y minus 2y, negative y. So, distribute that, if you can call it a distribute. What about this whole thing? Negative 6 times negative y. Negative times negative,
Positive.
6y.
6y. Okay. Ooh.
And then this part here, 5y minus y,
4y.
and together with the
Should have been.
8 1. Oh, negative, yeah. Which I have on paper, by the way.
okay. So this whole thing
Yeah.
was a, let's rewrite it again. 6y plus 2, right?
Right.
Yeah. 8, negative 8, plus 9, plus 13y.
Now I can put this and this together. Negative 8 plus 13
Is 5y.
plus 9. And then what I need to do with
Oh, 11. I got the same answer, but I didn't do it. I don't know what I did, but I got the same answer.
Yeah, he was showing the other way,
And the shortcut.
Yeah,
the-
okay.
instead of the distribute, like, he was showing like.
Yeah, you can do that. You will still get to the same answer.
Okay, that's what I
But
did.
this can save you because you don't have a constant.
I tried to do it that way too, and then I got. So. I did the wrong way.
I couldn't even get this message. We're way too boring. Confused. Sorry.
If,
But it's nice to know.
if you have just one fraction, it's the case here, 1/5. Then you know what to multiply the whole thing, but it's kind of right. Let's take a break after this.
Okay.
1/5, 3x plus 9.
Equals 3, parentheses, 2 minus 3x, close on, plus 15.
That's good. Just one fraction. It has a 5 at the bottom. The whole thing times 5.
Oh,
And this 1/5 disappears.
yes, I like that.
3x plus 9. What about the right hand side? I have 3 times this, and I need to multiply by 5. So this 3 becomes 15, but I don't touch
Don't touch
the parentheses. 2 minus 3x.
Oh.
And then I need to write here, 15 times 5,
Okay,
75.
74.
Out of my head.
okay,
Good job.
The
okay.
rest you should be able to.
Yes, thank you. These are fun. So this is algebra, right? Not yet, yeah?
You can.
Solving for x?
Algebra, right, you can.
I like algebra. Plus. Hold on. Hold on. This side. I have a quick question for you. That 15 that's on the end of that problem at the top, what happened to that 15?
Times 5. 75.
Okay, got it.
It's just on the next.
Okay, yeah, I was like, where did it go? Okay. So, got it, okay, got it.
Oh. Do you guys know, I think it's today, do you guys know what a major day is?
Major day? Mm-mm.
Isn't that what I go over?
Yeah, if there is something going on today at 12:30 in the auditorium. You may wanna check it out if you want to. It's about, I'm guessing. It's about your career options. I don't know, maybe you can meet some recruiters there, I don't know, but something like that it must be.
And also like the board and the, like, by the register, office, like they have like job things, like there's a.
Oh, yeah.
there's a lady looking
Yeah.
for, somebody like to help cook, clean and all that stuff. And then it has like,
Well,
X equals 14, just to put it out there.
X equals 14, okay. Let's see.
I think I need to see this one done,
Yeah, I will.
because I got something different.
What'd you get?
Oh, no.
She's like, I'll keep that to myself.
But I could be wrong.
Plug it in.
Well, you're right.
Plug it into the red line. Yeah, I mean, you should plug it into the blue line technically, but
Yeah, the red line would just make it easier.
What is wrong with me?
if you, 14, 3 times 14, 42
And
plus
then
9.
you get,
2 minus 42. Minus 4.
okay,
You said 14.
so 6,
It doesn't work in the red line, so it's
2 minus 3x plus 15. So then 3x
14. I don't know. This,
It's not 14?
you may be right. It didn't work out. If I plug it in.
That's why I'm having a hard time with it.
So maybe, see, what'd you get?
Thank
Come
you,
on.
but thank you for trying. But
we got
Like
making a mistake. If you made a mistake, and if you realize where things went wrong, that's a plus. That's why trying and failing is not. I mean, I shouldn't use the word fail. It's too negative. Trying and not getting all the way to the right answer doesn't mean a waste of time.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing it. I am, because I forgot the 9.
so x equals, I got some more crazy stuff. I don't even know.
I think I went wrong though.
And it would be 3 instead. So 6x equals 83, which is 13.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Did you get 13?
Mhm.
I got negative 13.
No, that's why I need to see how
Okay,
it works,
so
and I don't know
x
if you're right or
equals
wrong.
1,
But I got that negative 36 over
25.
Yes.
So
Wait, what?
1.
36 over 48.
Yes.
No,
I get
I
that
got
either.
48 over 36.
Sheesh.
Oh, wait, I did it wrong.
I'm
I
just
did
not
it
even
wrong.
going.
Yeah, 36 over 48.
Wait, give me a second, just to see where we're wrong.
Okay. Alright.
Never mind. Go ahead.
3x plus 9, I'm not going to do anything to the. Okay, 15 plus 15 times the 2,
30,
30. Minus 15 times
75.
Gosh.
I mean, oh, that's right.
hold on, 75.
I brought down, I totally forgot the parentheses, and I did 15 plus 2 minus 3x. So I did 15 plus 2 plus 75, and then minus 9, so that's where I went
15
wrong.
times 3 too.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? I didn't
five.
bring the
That's why I
parentheses
went
down
75.
in the red line with the box around
Okay,
it.
so, no.
So I did 15 plus 2 minus 3x,
Okay.
aside from the parentheses. Yeah.
Well, we see how we go from here to there, right?
Yes, but I forgot the parentheses. I'm saying that's my mistake.
Okay.
That's where I went wrong.
If you need to, you can combine these 105.
So 15 times 2, 30.
Mm.
This 105 comes from 30 and 75.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, that was that one.
Okay, let's see what I do.
Because I did it with 2 different things. I added the 75 and the 30. Because I couldn't remember if we had to add or subtract, so I got that answer
Ooh,
for the
but
addition and
where
subtraction.
did we
So
get?
close.
And got very confused.
How do we get 30?
15 times 2,
Okay.
and then 15 times 3.
Okay, that's where I messed up.
And
Thank you. So all this got to go.
Oh, I see what I did. I went to like.
And I know that too. Why would I do that?
15.
I'm
I
just
did
writing
negative-
stuff.
I subtracted 3x from
That, that should work,
Okay,
that should work. That-
I don't know.
Is there a pencil sharpener anywhere around here?
And then you got what? Did you add that or subtract that?
Back there behind you?
So after
Can I use
that,
it?
I did, it
Yeah.
was 9 equals 30 minus
it's
48x
working.
plus 75. And I subtracted 30,
That's why my eraser.
and then subtracted, and that
If it's
canceled out, and
working,
I
I don't
subtracted
know.
30 from the 75.
Calculated in it, that's.
He added though. You made the 30 and 75, he added to get the 105.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I do mine.
But when you did the 40, when you distributed the threes, did you add the 3 to the 45 or subtract it?
Subtract.
Okay, that's what I did, you got 42.
Wait. Oh, so 48.
So you added. So you were supposed to
Isn't
subtract.
that technically what you're doing with the negative?
I got negative 48x. You got 48. Because it's a negative minus.
So-
positive.
Oh, yeah, because like
When you distribute the threes, right? The 3 under the 45 becomes a positive 3. Do you add that or subtract that? I think that's where I keep,
Yeah, because it's a negative and a positive, you would do a negative.
I'm gonna take this negative 45. Make it a positive 45x. Like that, like that.
well, that makes it a little easier.
96.
I'm gonna take that.
Okay, let's see what we do now. Okay, so we got,
45. Oh,
So yours turned into 48 anyway.
yeah. Now it does, yeah. So, my mind, every time we distribute and we have to change the positive to a negative,
plus,
and then
By
we.
distributing, this is, if we are going, this is distributing.
Okay, so the
This
9,
is, I don't know what word we use for that.
Okay.
Combine like,
so combining.
okay,
So when I
so,
take the 9 and move it under the 105, same thing, like when we took the 45, I always forget which way to add or subtract.
When you move a term from one side to the other, negative turn positive,
Right,
positive turn negative.
but then when you do the math,
Yep.
so we're subtracting 9 from 105.
Yep.
Okay,
so was I wrong?
It was 2. I'm pretty
Oh.
sure 2.
hold on.
so.
Yep,
Is that 2 also?
x equals 2. Yep. Negative. Wait. 105 was positive, so it's 2.
Yeah.
Do you wanna see my work?
Oh, me?
Oh.
Oh,
Did
sure.
you get the 2?
No.
Oh. It's gonna be a little confusing, but.
I'm pretty sure like I just,
Wall jumped out and got me. So
I'm
it's
pretty
this
sure
one.
I like,
So you're gonna dip in the end when you.
I'm about
when
to
you-
get,
I think I did.
These you leave alone.
Okay, that's what I did.
Yeah, so, cause they're not like terms, so you leave them alone, you do nothing with them, so this becomes 3x plus 9, right? And then.
oh, it's plus
when you
9?
get down here, it's gonna be 3x plus 9
The
equals
105 plus 9,
45.
not, minus 9, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought too.
And then, you're gonna move to 45, which is 48, x equals 96.
It's 2.
And then you divide, 48 goes into 96 2 times. So x equals 2.
X equals 2.
Right.
We got it.
Yeah, I know where I went wrong.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, remember when, I think I read it to you.
Like one of the rules.
Yeah.
It's hot in here.
I just see
It's just hot. I can't do it no
I
more.
know, me too. That's why I had to write it down. I was like, when you see, where did I write it?
So, additive terms.
And then I spilled coffee. Oh my god. You see my whole bro. I hate that. Let me fix that real quick. Because we don't want to be showing our whole freaking bra like that's lame. So I'm just about to fix this. Hey guys. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Don't test me. Don't test me and tell me to do that, because I'm going to do it every time. I'm going to do it every time. I gotta go back in class. Y'all gonna get me in trouble. I just wanted to fix my dress because, but now it's short. Like that was the whole point of having it, the straps down so it won't be so short. Whatever. Whatever. Let's just go back in. I just. Excuse me. Hey guys. Let me wash my hands. Good job. Good girl. Look how short. I shouldn't have worn this, but I was rushing. Trying to make it on time. Y'all see he got us in here doing all this now. Okay. It's on the computer, right?
Yes. I really don't know. I want to say yeah, We take our final on our last day on
How do you
Thursday
know
class,
that?
but like, he also said if you're not gonna be here on Thursday, he'll also do it Friday. But again, don't quote me because I'm not 100%.
I'm not sure if that order matters. I'm trying to combine, correct all the numbers on one side and all the externals on the other side.
I'm gonna get a new phone. I hate this phone
And after you combine the numbers, it's
so
the same.
much.
Adding a plus sign.
I used to like it, but I don't no more.
So
Okay.
you can
So
say,
the only way these two would be additions is if they were both positive.
yeah,
Then, okay, maybe that's where I'm like, okay, I'll let you, if we do it, I'll tell you.
here I'm effectively subtracting a 9 from both sides. So that 9 disappears, or another way to think about it, you move it to this side and becomes a negative 9. Adding a negative 9 is the same as subtracting a 9.
What the hell's that?
Somebody's keys.
Sounds like a small metal.
105 minus 9.
You know that,
Okay.
that sounds like a metal bar or something. No, I'm not gonna play this. But that's what popped into my head when I heard that.
No, in
So I was like, it's a mini metal bar.
In middle school, we used to play this one game on the computer in my climbing class. And he made us show off all the computers. It was a dinosaur dancing, but it's like a really like high pitch and like and it's like for hours.
Smells good though. No, we were on break. Alex texted you.
Yeah, I was about to say.
That's the next one we're supposed to be doing.
I think
Gosh, that looks
I'd have to do my last class.
that looks like
Actually, you'll do that.
I could get it. Watch, I'ma get it. Two.
But I don't want him to like get in trouble or something just
No, I have the impression that he's figuring out how.
he's smart.
And I don't genuinely care about the physical presence, but
Negative one.
there's other stuff going on. And they kind of take it serious. My attendance needs to be accurate, which I learned eventually.
Did you lock it down?
No, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it after school today.
Okay.
Tomorrow, whatever. The 2-week payroll ends tomorrow. I can't take it, I need to do it after. There is some stuff I have to do after school today anyway. So there is a physics class coming here. Something about it, I don't know what it is.
Wait, so is general physics in all in class, or is that a hybrid?
I don't
This
know.
coming one is a hybrid one. It doesn't always happen. So hybrid is for people who can't make it to school 3 days.
Alright, let's just
Yeah.
no, there's
Normally,
nothing you can
it's 3
do.
days a week.
Yeah.
But some people can't. We meet 1 day a week, and what I would be doing the other 2 days is on them. I posted,
I hear you.
that, yes.
But in September, because I think that's when I have your class, in September, is that?
I don't know.
hybrid class when you-
Look at this.
Hope not.
I don't think so, because I never had 2 hybrids in a row.
Okay,
I can have 2 regulars in a row.
I don't know. I don't know. My Cash App is in my bio.
Hybrids are not as often as
Nursing.
regulars.
Good morning, guys.
Probably statistically it's safe.
So I'll do something like computers online, but I do not think I could do a physics online.
No, the physics that's sort of that is
I don't even know where to start with this one.
you will not have any problems. Here the physics, two physics also. We are doing 1700 and 1800. Not that it can't get complicated, but it's very well established.
Yeah.
We don't do,
Every time I wanted to.
we don't do much math or anything like that.
Yeah, my parents have.
And then
stressed
I
me out
be
with
in
physics.
after, so I'm like.
But they're
6
both
months.
engineers,
Right.
so maybe they need a little bit more physics.
You can't,
think so.
you can't do any kind of
Careful,
engineering without physics, right?
Yeah, so they probably had to take a couple.
I mean, a mechanical engineer probably doesn't need to take any physics class on quantum theory. But has to learn mechanics, has to learn thermodynamics, has to learn fluid mechanics and stuff. On the other hand, an electronical engineer, yeah, quantum would help.
Yeah,
I mean,
aerospace, physics would help or not?
absolutely, yeah.
Oh my God.
I mean, it's not just physics, they have to take many other specific classes too, but I don't know, in aerospace, he has to take fluid mechanics.
I'm letting Alex know that we're competing next Wednesday, in case he can make it.
As long as he's in good standing with the other stuff,
Yeah.
with the other stuff, I don't care.
Oh yeah, Alexis and Angel, we said Wednesday next week, even though we don't have school, we were gonna like try and come in so that like we can get brushed up on some extra.
On
study
Wednesday? Okay.
Before the test Thursday.
Same time?
Same time, I think this room is gonna be
Okay.
empty.
Okay.
To not waste the day before the final, we are adding Wednesday.
Yeah, because I'll end up scrolling on TikTok.
You gonna come?
No, I'm gonna come. I was just
Oh.
saying if we didn't have that.
Oh,
we
yeah,
would
me
have it on
too.
Wednesday.
Right, because I'll be like, just,
I'm taking that little mental break.
yeah, exactly. Like, I'm glad it's not just me.
Wednesday's the.
I had took 4 days. I just couldn't do it. I didn't do anything. Just.
And if I do anything, I'm going out to eat and going back to bed.
I will order DoorDash. I can't even go.
Actually, electronics was a branch of physics for a long time. Then it
What?
got separated. Electronics was a branch of physics for a long time, yeah.
Alright, so question. Never mind. This would-
Computer science has a lot to do with that. Have you guys heard about, there was a movie about it. You guys know about Alan Turing?
Turing?
Alan Turing?
Alan Turing, it sounds familiar.
Yeah, during the Second World War, we were able to crack the Enigma code, right?
Mhm.
So, of course, they were communicating with encrypted messages.
Yep.
If it gets intercepted, we shouldn't be able to understand what they are talking about, of course. So, of course, there are other things too. I heard that there was a time when their U-boats, they were able to get their hands on an actual Enigma machine. I'm sure it helped, but whatever. This guy, a mathematician, he is considered to be the father of computer science. Computer science at the time was a branch of that. So, it was purely mathematical until we were able to come up with some hardware, and that's physics. Electronics. So, Alan Turing, there is this guy, Imitation Game. That's the movie, a recent movie. So he's talking about, the movie is talking about, and there were also other people, Bullet parts. There were also other people involved in it. And they were able to crack the code, so the messages they were intercepting, they were able to decrypt it and see what they are saying. They were being very careful about it. They were not acting on every intercepted message not to make the Nazis suspicious, but they were seeing, hearing the communication between this and that, like Alan Turing. So if you were to pick 10 people who contributed to the victory in Europe.
Mm-hmm.
In anybody's list, he is there. He was a mathematician. But it is a gigantic advantage. You are in the communication of your enemy. That's a gigantic advantage.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm. I'm hearing it.
And they owe it to most of them, it's to a mathematician.
I'm not gonna lie, it's something usually.
Yeah, there was two different ways, and I'm like,
Oh yeah, I don't know how to do this one.
Oh, so you
30.
need to,
Please call.
that's not the only way, but the way we were doing it, the way I was advised to talk to you,
Please come and.
multiply by something.
Don't you mean 20? What? You said 30, don't you mean 20?
Isn't it
5 and 4?
3, 2, and 5?
Multiply everything by
Oh,
3.
yeah.
I'm looking for a number here
30.
which will kill all the fractions,
All
which will
fractions,
turn
yeah.
all the fractions into a number, a whole number. So I'm looking for a number which is a multiple of 3,
30, yeah.
which is a multiple of 2, and a 5 at the same time. One obvious answer, of course, is 3 times 2 times 5. But then I have a multiple of 3, a multiple of 2, and a multiple of 5.
Yeah.
3 times 2 times 5, that's a 2. Sometimes you can find a common multiple which is less than the product
Okay.
of the numbers. Makes your life a little easier. But that works too. 3 times 2 times 5. Right?
So it just cancels all the denominators.
Yeah.
But
it's-
you have to multiply the
So
top.
30 divided by 3,
So 2/3 times the 30, you can think of it like that. Take that 30 divided by 3 times 2. That makes
60.
28, right? 30
What?
divided by 3, 10 times the 2, 20.
yeah,
2/3 of 30 is 20.
right.
And that's a minus a half times the 30 minus 15. And then what about this? 30 divided by 5,
It's 24.
that's a 6, and add 4x plus 1. See where this 6 is coming from. This 4x plus 1 is the same as 4x plus 1. But I'm on the right hand side, I'm dividing 4x plus 1 by a 5, and then multiplying by
Okay, I got
30.
it, I got it.
Whatever I started with here times 6 is then from this point on, it's the same as the stuff you do.
Got it.
I kept bringing down the final 30. I did it a little weird. Yeah.
No, not you, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was talking to myself.
I'm not sure, I didn't watch the movie, I'm not sure if it's mentioned in the movie or not. Oh, the apple here, right? Just reminded me that there is a saying, you know, he was found dead with an apple, with a bite from an apple. Alan Turing, he's considered to be the father of computer science. Right? He was found dead
I don't know.
with an apple, single bite, and
It's gonna be.
there was cyanide in it, so it's suicide, very likely. I'm not sure if it's belongs to a cluster or not, but it turns out he was born gay. And at the time, it's a taboo. So even after contributing that much during the Second World War, he was forced into a conversion therapy. I mean, it's a shame, right? Literally, he's a war hero. like, he decrypted the Nazi communications so that we
Oh,
can
48.
read everything they are sending each other.
Oh, no,
And then
okay, so.
he was forced into, I'm not sure if it's discussed in the movie, I didn't put it, but back in the day, later, the British government issued a formal apology. Formal apology. Later, but if you were already there, it's a meaningless apology.
Simplified doesn't, yeah. No.
Yeah, that's okay.
I just simplified, you do improper?
Apple. People say it has something to do with the death of Charles Turing, that apple over there.
Charles who?
I mean, Alan Turing.
Oh,
Alan Turing. He was.
really?
Yeah.
Because you took the bite of the apple.
He looked white and he's considered to be.
Maybe it is, you never know.
Uh,
Maybe we can look it up later. Is a simplified fraction, can that still be improper? Or no?
I.
Like simplified?
If it doesn't say, I don't like
Improper?
that, proper, improper, so I technically it should be correct. I would guess.
Because I've got an improper.
I did it 2 different ways, so we'll see which way's right.
What would you get?
Both times?
Yeah.
No, let's do it.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Equals 6. Yep, so then that's 24x plus 6.
And what I'm gonna do is moving, shuffling terms.
Plus
Combine
15.
terms.
If you want to think
Plus
of
15.
it.
Oh,
I'm gonna, doesn't matter.
Okay.
44x.
Plus 20 here, minus 20 over there.
so 4.
4, I did it wrong.
15 minus 6.
I should have known that.
And now, I
4x.
go to work a little bit for the blue.
Well,
4x.
negative 15 minus 6, so actually it's gonna be 15, 16.
21.
Yeah, negative 21.
No, it'd be 11.
Negative 15.
Oh, yeah, no, negative 21.
Wait,
Addition.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, yeah, okay. I got it.
Yeah. I got it.
So that's that's not the answer.
That's not the answer, it's asking if,
Okay, see, I got 21 over negative 4 because I.
21. So then you just say 4x divided by 4x, and then x equals negative.
Yeah,
That's what I did.
yeah. So now, is it correct if it's still 21 over negative 4? Yeah, let's try that.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Should you write, I don't. Do it that, but I think it will be correct either way. We tried
Can we
it.
try this way because I got that
What-
answer
So what do you want to try this? Oh, well,
Negative 21 over 4.
I think that's, because that's how I would put it.
No.
Because I wouldn't, now, it's a technical detail, but negative 21 over 4. I think there is some ambiguity here if you write it like that.
Oh, I didn't even go that route.
Because does that mean negative 5 over 1 over 4? In other words, this negative sign, does it apply to here and here? Or it's a negative 5 plus the fraction of 5. These two are not the same.
Yeah,
So I would leave it like this.
it doesn't say
Negative.
But we tried it, probably it's gonna take this to be correct anyways.
Okay.
But it doesn't say a mixed number.
Doesn't say
Normally
it.
it does.
It says solve for x.
Well, if it does, like, if it does do it like, and if you think you got penalized because of the format you put it in, let me know. I think the way it wants you to put your answer is this negative 2. That's what I would do. I wouldn't put negative 5
Negative
and
21 over 4. Okay. X equals negative 21 over 4. Okay.
Yep.
So just leave it.
Oh, wait a second. I was, yeah, you are.
Don't do
right.
extra work if you don't have to.
yesterday. I'm gonna check this after. I remember that
You check it?
you guys put it.
For x plus x equals. Okay, next.
This was how do I search for it? Apple logo, Alan Food. Apples. Apple logo, Alan Food. It's not based on.
I thought it was Gates.
Bill Gates?
No, Bill Gates is Microsoft.
Oh, that's Microsoft.
Apple is Steve Jobs.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, Jobs.
I mean, yeah,
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is Steve Jobs.
Apple logo is not based on.
Both the designer Rob and Jenna. Whatever.
Who?
I don't know how we
Wait, where are you seeing Ryan?
Like
Oh,
that,
Rob
top line.
Channel. Okay.
Okay, well, anyway, the bottom line is, he was a mathematician. He
I think it's C.
Yeah, see.
Yeah. I agree.
Mm. No solution.
Okay, so the second line, the top line is the original question. Second line, after distributing that 8 on the left and combining 7x and 9x on the right. So that's the second line. And then I can still combine the negative 1 over here with the negative 4 over there. That's it. Bottom line is I have the same term here, whatever x cancels out. So you cannot possibly make this equation work for any x.
Why not though? Because couldn't you just like, oh no. Okay, I see, it's no solution. I get it now. I have to look
I
at
mean,
it
there
again.
are exotic number systems out there.
I get it.
And they are used, when I say exotic, they are used in physics and stuff. Real numbers and complex numbers. You cannot make this work. There are some number systems where two non-zero numbers multiply to something zero.
So,
I mean, they are not exactly numbers, but
so just,
but
there's no
real
solution.
numbers, complex numbers, this doesn't work.
I get it.
and try to make sense of it, right? It doesn't matter what you try for x. Same number here, same number there. How do you multiply? How do you take out the 41 from the same number and add a 3 to the same number and still the same? No matter what this thing is, the left-hand side will never be equal again in the numbers. It will never be the same. So it's this way. Okay, how about this though? You do this, you do that, and you end up something like 8x plus 3 is equal to 8x plus 3. Of course, this pink line is going to come after.
If that's the answer, you mean?
If that's what you end up with here,
It would be D.
it would be V. So think about it. Any x you pick is going to make it work. And when we do graphing, you will these are parallel lines, and parallel lines don't intersect.
Right.
Euclidean geometry. If you make a graph of x versus the left-hand side and x versus the right-hand side, these two lines won't ever meet because they have the same slope. And parallel lines don't intersect on a plane. That's one way. And these are the
Oh my gosh, I don't know what lines.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing linear stuff.
Yes. It said those were the new.
Did you do 6 plus x or x plus 6?
Technically, they are the same, of course, but I'm not sure if this is making a mathematical
Well, it
comparison. This
says
is
let-
making a, I'm sure it's making, comparing text to text.
It's
Is-
saying let X represent the unknown value though.
Yeah.
So X would be first.
I guess.
I mean, x plus, what I was trying to say is, mathematically, x plus 6 is real. It's 6 plus x, the order doesn't matter in any addition.
Okay.
But it's comparing text to text.
Yeah.
So put x first. Just.
Two X,
2x.
So
X there,
x here.
and then two X there.
Oh, I don't think that's cheating. The first box is x, right? And then, just like this question or this question 30, in terms of x, you are typing something, it's going to be a text again. 2x, right? A number divided, please read these are easy questions, but if you rush while reading, a number divided by 3 is 154.
X divided by 3.
Yeah,
Equals.
so a third of some unknown number is 154. What is that number? You have to multiply 154 by 2 to get back to the number. You have the result after dividing by 3. Go backwards. multiply by 3.
462.
And
462.
Oh, we love these, don't we?
I'm literally on that question now.
Oh wow. Maybe I should put my glasses on so I can see. Okay, hold on. What?
Yeah.
I don't know. What's the first step? What's the first step? Like, just tell me the first step. I don't know.
See, like the way I do it, I don't know if it's gonna make sense to you. That's why.
I don't know. I'll just wait for him.
I would take the.
I think it's giving us extra information.
We'll just. It makes 11 hours, works 40 hours last week. And earned $479. So it means.
I don't know. I don't even know where to start.
I didn't even do it yet. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get like 100 or better on this Model 3 test. It's like the only one I keep getting an 80 on.
So what do you make, what do you make an hour doesn't matter, huh? Well, did you just ask me for
So like, when
coffee
there's a
pot?
part-time assistant manager for a local coffee house, or he makes $11.70 an hour. Then sells protein.
So we have,
Okay, so if you wanna,
So 1170 an hour times 40 hours,
Yeah, and then.
and you subtract that from what he earned.
so it doesn't
And then you have to figure in that he gets 50 cents for each item he sells.
50 cents? Or
Yeah,
Yeah,
so he
50 cents.
earns 50 cents.
So he earning commission and all that. See, I'm thinking that's just extra
No.
information you don't need.
you can try to solve, N is what I use instead of X if I know
Yeah.
that the answer is
I
gonna
don't
be.
like these.
It's just a dummy variable. That's the variable you are trying to solve for. If you wanna use it as any question, try to solve this. Or, in your head, 1170 times 40,
It's 468.
468, correct. How much more do you need on top of 468 to get to
17.
17? Each time you sell something, you get 50 cents. How many do you need
So
to
you times the 17 by 50, right?
di-
Or divide.
divide by 50
So-
cents?
I'll just
or
get this one wrong.
Dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. To make $1, he needs to sell 2.
Right, that's what I have, 2.
$17, 17 times. But try to solve for and from here. It's a good exercise to work. It's decimals
Wow.
and decimals and stuff.
I see why my
Oh.
my numbers are-
Okay, now I can do it. Cause okay. I like that. Like if you just write it out and just solve for what you don't know. That makes it so much easier. I could do that.
Sorry, Layla, my answer was 44. That's why it didn't make sense because that one, I just realized that says 50 and mine says 25 cents. And it says 45, mine says 470. That's why I'm like, numbers don't make sense.
Yeah.
Equals 45, right? Okay. Okay. So, I mean, that's easy now that he did it like that. So,
Literally, all I did yesterday was all different types of math questions. By the time I got up and ran errands, I was like, holy shit, it's already 6 o'clock.
Did you see what Maya put in the group chat?
Yes, I was,
wait, what?
from our, a classmate from our last class was talking about the class that she.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she was talking about the next class.
Yeah.
Cause I'm like,
I have no idea whose phone she's taking, but we're grown as hell. You're not taking my phone because we're doing the test. That's ridiculous. We're not in elementary. You gotta read the group chat. She's like, oh, she's saying that when we take a quiz or test in her class, we have to give her my phone. We have to give her our
Oh, we're back in
phone.
high school now, okay.
They didn't even take our phones in high school. So.
girl, you're not taking my phone.
One of my teachers would be like, okay, put your cell phones in your bag and put your bag in the front of the classroom.
I want a piece of
I've
candy too
never had
then.
that
Give me a
I had
sucker.
some strict ass teachers, and again, this was
Or
Washington,
you're gonna take.
and it was a
Oh, so
Spanish
you're
teacher.
I
She really wanted to make sure.
Oh, but wait, so what's this lady's name so I can make sure I don't take her class?
Yeah.
Well, if
No,
it's your
American
prereq, you
Lit
have
is
to.
after-
But there's a different professor.
Okay, and then my.
I'll go to the other school and take it. I ain't gonna put up with
And
that.
that's
Or
when
you
we
can
have
take, because
more
I'm pretty
than.
sure there's also a different.
I was gonna say, I think it can only be in class or hybrid, because I don't know if there's
24
like,
minutes we have.
Alright,
left.
let's go.
I'll go to a different school.
Before the time is up. So what am I typing here?
2. 34?
she's like, what?
Wait,
Okay, regular, without selling anything, how much does he make? Or she?
1170.
1170.
Times 40,
468.
468.
he needs 17 more.
Right.
He needs
468
to sell
plus
two mugs
N
to make a buck. Each extra buck.
times
For each extra buck,
equals
he needs to sell 2 mugs,
485.
right? 50
Yeah.
cents a mug, 2 mugs for $1.
17 times 2.
17 times 2 is a 34.
So it's 34?
I forgot to do that part.
Thank you.
Right? You don't need algebra to do that.
N equals 34.
I know, I forgot about that last step, sorry.
So 23 minutes, let's get 4 more questions. Oh, that's an easy one. Save some time here. 2 negative numbers, remember.
This way.
70.
I don't know, like, this one?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's closer to 0, right?
When you have negative numbers, the more negative one is the less one. So, Okay, some picture stuff. You have the inequality here at the top. X is greater than or equal to.
D.
Yeah, D.
Well, greater than or x should be greater than or equal to -2. X should be to the right of -2. Okay. But this also allows x to be a -2 too. So that's the circle here versus the circle there. That's the difference.
So what's the answer? I'm sorry.
It should be this one. You should have a look. You will have an unbounded interval. If the inequality you are solving for is a linear one, either to the right or to the left of some boundary point. All the numbers to the right or to the left of some boundary point. For a linear inequality, that's the solution set. Is the boundary included or not? It's in here. This extra bar here means that it's included in this surface. Okay. You can add or subtract the same number to both sides of an inequality without flipping the sign, inequality sign, as you do.
Or the VA.
I think it would be C,
Yeah.
because you do flip it, don't you? On
Mhm.
this one,
He
you
said we
don't.
don't.
-5.
Oh,
Just-
that's right, because they're both positive.
The only time you flip, if you need to memorize, if you multiply, the only time you flip an inequality, you are
Multiply
working
or
with,
divide, right.
you are working with inequalities, okay? If you are working with an inequality, you flip the inequality sign. I mean this thing here. I mean this thing here by the side.
Yeah.
The only time you flip it, if you need to memorize, is when you multiply or divide by a negative number. Other than that, it's just like this. Adding, subtracting things to both sides. You don't need to add or divide here. X plus 5 greater than or equal to 2. I mean 3. Divided by negative. -2 included because of this, and x is here. Anything to the right of -2, if you plug it in here, it makes this inequality work. It satisfies the inequality. Any number to the right of -2, including -2. So it's x. Last question. Okay, here I can do it in a couple different ways. Let's see what you have first. If you choose to do it in one way, then you need to be careful while dividing by a negative number. Or 7 minus 2x. Let's see how you go through it. That's That's number 4, right? Not the fourth bracket, that's
Yeah.
I got cold.
That's, if you are, the one way to do it, if you choose to do it that way, may involve a division by a negative 2.
Right.
Negative 2 means,
Flip.
well, if you divide by a negative number or multiply, it's the same
So
thing.
X is less than.
I don't know the answer, but thank you for trying.
Less than, so it's C or.
Oh.
It's, okay, so it's C, yeah, never mind.
I'll take that at this point. I got 89.
Oh my God.
Don't you flip this one?
Yeah.
Placement.
Okay, I kind of hear that you did it in a way that involves a division.
Mhm.
It's not the only way. I'm